Snoring and sleep apnea are medical conditions that may have a dental solution. Snoring is caused by a restriction in the back of the throat that allows the soft palate and tongue to rattle against each other. Sleep apnea is when that restriction is so great that air can't pass in either direction. Sleep apnea needs to be diagnosed by a physician, a sleep specialist, maybe an ENT, or a pulmonologist. If you're a candidate for sleep apnea treatment in the dental office, we can fit you with a bite guard that holds the lower jaw forward and allows more air to pass through the night.